luck.
Well, thank you. All my friends love to put their children on the phone with me.
You know what? You know what?
I don't think you know what.
You're really, really funny.
Yeah. You might be my favorite comedian this season.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
It's unbelievable what's coming out of Hollywood these days. And did anybody see John Wick? Yes. Did you see 2 as well? Yes. John Wick. These films starred an actor by the name of Keanu Reeves, who I believe is the best actor on the planet. Jupiter. I'm going to go with Jupiter on that. In these films, and of course there's other big movies, the Matrix films, everything is kind of similar as far as what's going on. It's gratuitous violence. Everybody's kind of running around either in super fast motion or super slow motion. Sound is magnified 100 times. You see a guy come running out with a big shotgun. You can see the bullets. Sarcasm. You can see the bullets going through the air. They show them hitting the bad guy. No! Then it takes him a second or two to figure it out. He doesn't realize he's shot right away. Hey! You shot me. Then he runs towards the guy who shot him. All right, threw another movie in there. Come on!
And I don't think a man realizes that when he proposes to a woman, he's actually transferring his power over to the woman instantly. Has no idea that it's about to happen. He's caught up in the moment. He's very nervous. Will you marry me? I'm a moron now. Everything I say will be taken the wrong way. I'm just a big walking farting machine. Now that's the way you make us feel sometimes, girls. Not all the time, but sometimes, most of the time. But it's a two-way street, isn't it, guys? Not really. Yeah. You see, the moment her finger goes through that engagement ring, it becomes the Lord of the Rings.
It's so beautiful. I can't believe it. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait to show everybody. I'm so happy. I'm going to cry. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. I control you now. You screwed up. And you must obey me, or you will never see any of this precious.
See? That is true, isn't it? Every man and every woman in this room knows that that particular area of the woman controls the entire universe. It has caused wars, and it has stopped conflicts. But a woman can make a man do whatever she wants when she figures it out. Could you come here, please?
Could you take that downstairs for me?
Must take downstairs. In the middle of the Super Bowl game. Because this is the only time that it can be done.
Perhaps I'll be rewarded upon return. Probably not. Probably not. My wife and I, we've been trying for a kid for about 8 months now, and no luck. We were driving around checking out playgrounds. We didn't see any kids that looked like us, so we kept going. There was a cop, and it was weird. That's a joke. All my friends have children. I keep putting them on the phone with me when I call the house. That's a lot of fun when you're in a hurry, isn't it? There's someone who would like to say hello to you. You heard the little feet? Then they hand them the phone. This is all you hear for the next 30 seconds. What are you, welding? What are you doing? And then they begin to communicate with you when you're in a hurry.
You know what? You know what?
I don't think you know what. There was one time I was accused of being a little me, and you tell me what you think. I was getting ready to go through airport security. My friend puts his 5-year-old on the phone with me. 5 years old, he says,
I'm watching Beauty and the Beast.
I'm thinking he's way too young for Beauty and the Beast, so I said to him, because I was in a hurry, I said, wow, really?
Are you watching it all by yourself?
And he hung up. Can you believe it? All right. I'm not allowed over the house till he graduates high school, but so be it. Now back to this woman that I live with. Not the one that just moved in, but my lovely wife. She's obsessed with scented candles. When she sees a candle store, she gets very excited about it.
There's a scented candle store right over here.
Yeah, there's a sports bar over there.
I want you to go inside the scented candle store with me.
Why? What did I do?
I want to show you something.
You want to show me something inside of a scented candle store? I wonder what could be in there.
Could you stop acting like a jerk for 1 second? I'm serious. I would like for you to go inside the store with me now.
And this is what happens for the next 12 to 15 minutes.
Smell this. I want you to smell that. Just smell that. Come here. Seriously. Come here. Will you just come here? Smell that. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Smell that. That's really nice. That's really nice. It smells tropical. It's called Coconut Fresh. It smells like fresh coconuts. Come here, smell it. Oh my God, you're not gonna believe this.
I don't believe any of this.
I'm serious. What does that remind you of?
How much I hate this place.
Do you remember? Think, do you remember the bed and breakfast that we stayed in? Up in the mountains. 7 years ago. Remember when you first walked in, there was a big arch and there was a beautiful fresco painted underneath the arch, remember? Smell it again, think. When you first walked in, there was an arch. You had to walk under the arch, through the arch. When you first walked in, there was an arch. Smell it! Doesn't that remind you of that romantic place that we spent together? Smell it!
Yeah, it's all coming back to me now. Thank you very much.